Hello and welcome. This is the second part of this weekly Forex technical analysis. I'm going in through the miners. Excuse my voice. I had a concert last night, so I'm I have a bit of a sore throat. Thanks to Exhibit for a great show. Let's get into the trading. This is the like I said, it's all about the miners. Let's take the indicator off for now. Yeah, I like to trade the Euro Swiss. As you can see, I also do quite some analysis, and from time to time I put this on my forecasts. Right now, it kind of looks like similar to the euro, let's say euro dollar at the moment, kind of similar things. Consolidation, we broke out, we came back very deep pullback, and then we never made a new low, so we are officially back to the upside. um, First profit targets were over here. It's previous video, so I'm just leaving it out so you can see what we were thinking in the past. So this happened, and we are still. I'm still holding some of this pair. I think there's more room to the upside, but more interesting is that we are at the moment we're on a certain pullback, which offers, of course, new opportunities to get into the market. This is the 4-hour chart, as you can see. I think if we can put this line, oh, it's behind the. Okay, well, doesn't matter. So let's do it like this. I think this will be where support will be at. It was support in the past. It also was resistance. So this level over here will act as support probably again. In combination with this trend line, I think this will provide a bounce. And this, of course, we need something first to get back in, or maybe if you are, you can also take on a trade near this support level, and then continue to the upside. If you're more conservative, wait for a break of this 4-hour frame to see if it's actually starting to move in that direction again. Euro, British pound, also an often traded example. Yes, we moved back into this area, made a pin bar, and then we fell down pretty aggressive, and we are in consolidation for the last week or so. So maybe this consolidation is the beginning of a even bigger pullback, and then this scenario to me is still on. At the moment, I do not trade this because to me it's not trending, and it's not in any direction. I'm going to go through a lot of setups. So let's see what the market has to offer for us. This, what do I think of this? Do I like this? Not really. And if I would trade it, it would definitely be to the short side. So if you are into this, it's always up to you how and what you trade, of course. I would go long after a break, but when I see this level over here, I think it just started to fall back. And from a horizontal perspective, so in terms of support lines, yes, of course, we got this level over here, which has meaning. Okay, well, not I don't prefer the Euro Aussie, Euro New Zealand. Okay, well, we had a bullish run, and we are in this channel for some time now. So if you're really looking for a trade and you need to maybe force a trade, a potential entry could be around this level over here, because we are at that significant support zone. Yeah, well, this is the hourly chart. So if this pulls back and makes a first high or low, this could actually be one from the beginning of the week. So it could be interesting. As long as this level holds, of course, I'm here to trade this back up. So just for a small trade. Oh, something like this would be an opportunity. If the level breaks, then of course I'm out, and I would not be taking this trade. Also interesting Let me see what happens if I put it on a trend line with some touches like this. Yeah, okay, well this is kind of a break, but as long as this support holds, we can continue. Um, and this is also a huge pin bar, so I don't know if I'm really liking this. Nah, let's just take it off. Okay, that's it for this one. So yeah, it's a potential opportunity for sure. Then we have the Euro Canadian, also stuck in this range at the moment. So if we keep below this level, then we are good to go for another short. If we break it and come back for a retest, then we are probably in for a position in the opposite direction. The thing is with the Euro Canadian dollar, look at all those pin bars, a lot of spikes and so, stuff like that. It's kind of hard sometimes to really pinpoint an entry or pinpoint, of course, your stop loss. For example, over here, this just got out of this zone a little bit too far. You know, depends again on your own risk management rules. This one we had yesterday, Euro, Japanese yen. Okay, this is interesting. Where are we at with this one? From the weekly time frame, we are in this zone, and yeah, I think we still are actually. So I think from the weekly, this is a very interesting level to be looking at a potential new short. Yes, 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 interesting. Okay, let's see what we got on the 4 hour in that case. In the 4 hour we are near this level, and yes, if we do break this level finally, I would trade this to the short side, but it really needs to happen first, because from where we are at right now, we are not at the trend line, so another swing up is likely before we can get a sell-off. But yes, definitely, I'm looking for shorts, not necessarily longs, as long as we are in this channel. Then we have British Pound Swizzy, also an often traded pair. Yes, I was looking for a pullback, and actually all week we got a consolidating market, moving sideways, a lot of pin bars, but not any direction. So let's see if this breaks out to the downside for us to get in from a interesting entry, because this right here is, by the time it reaches that level, we get a confluence of this trend line and the support line. So interesting to see, but this still needs to happen. So I'll leave it on like this, and I'll see in the midweek analysis on Wednesday where things are maybe. This one broke out of this channel. This is the Great British Pound Australia, and is now, yeah, it's pulling back. It's trying, maybe this level over here. This was some kind of a high, and this is finding support right now. Don't know for sure. Yeah, well, I prefer this to trade even a bit further to the downside, a bit further of a correction. This is, yeah, you know, just like the euro and this one. I don't really prefer this setup. But, you know, if we get a break and continuation to the upside, why not? Let's take the trade. For now, it's not really having momentum. It's just sliding back slowly, and I think a break will boost this one for a further move. But there are better trades out there. British pound, New Zealand dollar. Yes, I traded this for 2 or 3 swing trades already. If this, it's kind of the same thing as the previous one. This is a correction. This resistance is turning support, but some more consolidation could happen, and then finally we move up. I like this. It's quiet. It's not too messy. It's a clean chart. I trade this a lot. I really like this. For some reason, I like it. British pound. Okay, well, this pullback back into this resistance already happened, and we are in the move right now. So this, to me, right now, the move already happened. So it's not gonna help me anytime soon. Also, a lot of British pound pairs, as you can see, are just made the move, so they really need to pull back first. Let's get into some Australian pairs. Yes, this is interesting. The trend line broke, but we failed to really get momentum. The retest came in, and it formed a low, and we are now slowly grinding up. We still have to clear this level to get out of this box and really start moving. So we need some more. But this is if you want to trade this, go to the hourly time frame and jump into some pullbacks and yeah, good things can do good things. Maybe the 4 hour is better. Yeah, it's slowly grinding up, like I said. So if you like to trade that kind of market, not too explosive, then this could be a interesting one. New Zealand Swizzy still stuck in this box. We really need a retest of this trend level for a new short or a break to continue to the upside. So for now, it's not really an active opportunity. This is one of those charts again. It's too messy for me. I'm not gonna even. No, it's not my thing at the moment. New Zealand Canadian. Yes, finally it broke out of this channel, which is interesting, and that happened last week at the end of the week. So we still need to clear this level over here. So let's see what happens from here. But it looks like this bottom is finally has formed, and we are starting to move to the upside. So this is definitely on my watch list. Same thing for this one. Broke out, consolidation phase we are in, and it's starting to move. So I'm really looking for long positions in both of these setups. Australian, New Zealand, kind of hard at the moment to trade this one. Is this a corrective structure? Are we moving? Are we really finding momentum like we did over here? It's kind of hard to be calling momentum. But usually if it breaks out, it really starts to move. Well, this seems to be a fake out at the moment. So let's see what happens. As long as this level over here is in place, then of course we have ourselves a support, and let's see what happens. Not the best one. Previous one or two were more preferable. Australian, Japanese yen. Where are we at on this one? Okay. Well, yeah. Let's get some information on here. Let's assume that was a fake out. Something like this. This was kind of a fake. I would be looking at this. It's in an up move from the weekly, as you can see, like over here. And what happens when we go to the daily? Now that we have some perspective. Yes, I would trade this. For now, it's still running up, so no reversals yet. But I really want to see a pullback. Of course, that's the way I trade. And after that, we have some potential for a swing back up. Interesting one, but it needs to happen. It's not time yet. This probably looks kind of the same. Yes, also an upward moving market with a low and a higher low in place now. So this I would trade to the upside, but I would prefer a pullback first. So kind of the same thing. Well, that's quite a lot of majors we got ourselves here. What else do we have? Yeah, I think that's it for now. A lot of opportunity. A lot of things that are taking place right now. So a lot of pullbacks we are looking to get in when it occurs. I'll do a midweek analysis on Wednesday as well. I'll do a daily video, but this is all analysis related. So make sure you check out that one as well. So we go through a lot of setups we've discussed in the weekend. So let's see what we can do on Wednesday. Have a good one. Bye bye.